Hi, I'm Duncan Riek. I need to talk with my hands and give you really serious expressions.
Almost got a Duncan.
I want to talk today about obsessive thinking
Serious, but not.
and a potential way that you could deal with obsessive thinking. If you find that you have thoughts that come and you try to push them away and they keep coming and you push them away and they get stronger and stronger and you feel out of control with your thoughts, I'm going to suggest a way of dealing with that might be helpful, something to experiment with. So the first thing that I'm going to suggest is that you don't actually have control of your thoughts. You can't control your thoughts. Thoughts pass through the mind like clouds passing through the sky. But we can control our awareness. We can learn to control our awareness. We can learn to control the sharpness and focus of our awareness, and we can learn to control where we place that focus, where we place that awareness. So when a thought comes into the mind, they're just like a cloud coming through your mind, and they're not personal, they're just coming through. And thoughts have this quality that they have energy, and if you focus on a thought, it will make it stronger. Okay, so you know this, right? You've probably experienced this. If you focus on it and say, go away, I don't want that thought, what will happen is you give it energy and it starts to grow like a storm cloud. And as it grows, it becomes more and more intense, and then the more it grows, the more you get freaked out by it and try and push it away, and it becomes more and more intense. That's the kind of the process. The first thing is to realize you can't control your thoughts. The second thing is to realize you can control your awareness. The third thing is to realize that the key is acceptance. And so a different way of going about this is to notice the thought coming in and welcome it and say, wonderful, this thought. I welcome this thought. Welcome. And allow it to be there and enjoy it for a moment, and then go, where would I like to put my attention now? And keep a part of your awareness there, knowing that it's kind of passing through your mind, but then put your attention back on where you want to place it. And you'll notice it just passes through and passes on, which is how most thoughts happen. They just pass through, and you'll find that they don't have to rule your life because you're not engaging with them as much, and you're not engaging with them as much because you're welcoming them and you're allowing them. And the more you do that, the more you'll get practiced at just welcoming these thoughts coming through, and you'll start to discover that you don't have to become caught up in this cycle. So experiment with that, and I'll see you in another video.